Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable the back button on your iPhone. Before watching, friends, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget, friends, put likes and also write your comments under this video. Well, let's get started. And in order to do that, you're going to need to on your iPhone, find and click on Settings. And then scroll down a little bit and click on this option. Next, swipe down, tap on Touch. Now swipe down a little bit more, and at the very bottom you can find the option you want. Go to it, and as you can see, there's a double tap and a triple tap. You will need to go to each of these options and turn on the top section, that is, Disable. This way, you will disable both double and triple tap for the back option on your iPhone. This is the quick method you will be able to disable back tap on your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel, write comments, put your likes. See you soon.